of NCDs.
Sirkal kokalo migawo mochune mwandu mawuok e bolo ogolo siem ne jogo duto matayo chenro mag kunyo mwandu e bolo mondo mi ochunga tijegi kaka yo mar geng'o masiche kinde ma koth. Kanoloso gi jofwamb weche, jagoro mar migawo no Elijah Mwangi nogolo siem makamano kendo kwayo jo Kenya mondo oket ritruok makare ni mar koth ma pod medo chwe nyalo kelo midhiero kotenore kod oula. Seneta ma Murang'a Jo Nyoto bende okwayo sirkal ma counties mondo okaw ting' ma Murang'a mondo mi oket maino e tieko midhiero ma osekel kod oula ma sani eri oserocho ngima oganda mathoth e alwora no.
We are calling upon those who are carrying out mining, be it the construction or industrial mineral in the quarries, be it in the shafts, those who are doing gold or copper and the likes, that they take heed of the warning that has been given so that we can save lives. It is very unfortunate when we lose life because of our today's bread. We need you tomorrow. We need you to come tomorrow to do business. So my plea, which is an order from the Ministry of Mining, is that those who are carrying out mining where it is known it is prone to landslide, where we have a lot of water, to cease the operation.
We have some landslides, and we want to call upon the county government that because we know there is a fund set aside, there is an emergency fund, that we should utilize this fund and we should use it for both preventive and curative measures. So for now, let them see whether they can identify areas where we may need to build or to put up gabions and other preventive measures.
As the county government, we have set aside an emergency fund which will cater for the landslide, and I'm very sure where those the areas that are affected, we are going to use that fund, and I think it will be helpful in those areas. Thank you.
Jolony weche mag somo opwoyo